In this video, I want to take you through our new Young Nails gel polish. First of all, bigger size. Lacquered bottle, right? It's color coded, so it's easy identification for you and your client. New formulation. I'm telling you guys, the way it self-levels, the color coverage, it's virtually one coat. When you guys see this during application, you're not going to believe how well the rounded brush is to get around the cuticle area. And I'm gonna show you guys how easy it is to apply this beautiful new product. All right, you guys, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go through a cream color, a metallic color, a glitter, as well as a sheer. Now, the cool thing about the new gel polish line, it matches up to all the existing Young Nails nail polishes that we have right now. So I've already gone through and pushed her cuticles back. What I'm gonna do is just lightly tickle around the perimeter of the nail and then just use a very gentle feathering motion. I'm putting no pressure. I'm letting the machine do all the work for me. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take Swipe, right? This is our cleanser. All right, so this is going to clean, and what it's going to do is it's going to set us up for protein bond application. All right, you guys, now what we're gonna do is we're going to set up application with our first layer of base coat. So now you guys will notice that the base coat colors, right? The packaging is different, so they're easy to recognize. The light baby pink is the base coat and the turquoise is our tac-free top coat. And the first thing you're going to notice in application is our cuticle precision brush, right? So they're rounded. What I like to do is I personally like to come through and just brush a nice even coat through the center of the nail, just like this. Boom. Get a little bit more. That way I don't have to worry about anything running down the sides. Then what I'll do is with whatever excess I have on the brush, you're going to notice that I can really get the round brush around the cuticle area with precision. And I have enough product on the nail and the brush, right, to work through creating the perfect, thin, even application from cuticle to free edge. Now she's gonna go inside the light and she's gonna cure it again for a minimum of 30 seconds. So we're gonna start off with our cream color. The first thing you're going to notice with the new packaging is the color is going to match the bottle. Like, that is absolutely incredible. It's going to be really easy for you to identify the colors. And when you guys actually have them set up in your displays in your salon, it's actually gonna be really easy for your customers to see what they want right off the bat. Okay, wanna be able to show you the coverage, right? This is insane. So what I'll do, again, I'll brush off the product off one side of my brush. Like, the absolute coverage of this product, it's virtually one coat. I'm gonna come down, I'm gonna make sure that I'm going to get a really nice coat from cuticle to free edge. If at any point you do see something, instead of using my fingers, what I could do is just get like a gel brush and I can just come down and just make sure, again, nothing is absolutely on the skin. It's absolutely perfect. Let's go ahead and get this inside light. And I'm gonna go ahead and set this. Pigmentation on the product is so rich. Again, maximum you would need is 2 coats. Okay, so you're going to notice now, again, when I come through, if I tuck up against right where I left off, I'm gonna be able to apply a nice, flawless coat from cuticle to free edge. I mean, this is absolutely stunning what that looks like. The coverage is unbelievable. Okay, so remember, after you're done, right, applying your second coat, that hand is gonna go inside the light for a minimum of 1 minute, okay? After the minute's done, we're going to apply our tac-free top coat from cuticle to free edge. You're gonna see how incredibly shiny the product looks. A tip to applying top coat, what I like to do is I'll brush down the center, right? And then normally I'll go through all the nails. And then once I'm done doing all the nails, I have usually enough product on the surface to come through and make sure that it's going to work evenly from cuticle to free edge. But I mean, the application is like, it's ridiculous. Watch what happens when we're done curing this for a full minute. You're not going to believe the shine. All right, after it's done, I'm just gonna put a little bit of cuticle oil on the surface. Let's go ahead and massage this in. And as you can see, I wanna be able to show you guys. I mean, it's unbelievable. I wanna be able to highlight some of the finishes, the glitters and the shears, right? To show you the texture in the glitter gel polish, right? And for all you European customers out there as well, you're gonna love the fact that it's TPO and HEMA-free. This metallic color, I mean, the cool thing is when you're looking at the bottle, I mean, like, perfect match. So again, what I like to do is just come down. Oh gosh, I'm telling you, this color is one coat. This color is definitely one coat. You're gonna love that fact. Look at that, that's incredible. Oh dude, you're gonna trip out on the texture of this glitter. Pink noise. The first thing you're going to notice when you apply is how rich the actual coverage is on the glitter. But take a look at that coverage with one coat. Like, right, you're gonna be able to get that brush right up to the edge and then work a really nice, healthy amount all the way down the body of the nail and get yourself absolute full coverage. Look how crazy one coat is. You won't believe what two coat looks like. I mean, that is shockingly buff. Shockingly buff. And the shears, you guys, your customer is gonna trip out. Now again, obviously we cannot make a shear bottle because then we're gonna have problems with the product curing, but it matches up to the bottle, which is absolutely unbelievable. But when we actually apply it to the surface of the nail, oh, it's crazy. Like there's no streaking and it actually makes the natural nail look at that cocoa sheerness. Woo! Unbelievable. You thought one was amazing? Wait till you see the second one go onto the surface. Bro, just striking. All right, I wanna show you guys how I apply the tac-free top coat to multiple fingers. Again, the trick again is don't flood every finger at once. Get the product off one side, brush it down the center, brush it down the center, brush it down the center, touch the tip, slight bit more on the end of the brush, and then what you'll be able to do is with whatever is on the surface of the nail, you'll be able to work that nice and evenly without it getting all over the sidewalls. Boom. All right, we're gonna cure this out for a full 1 minute. And you're gonna be able to see this color range on her fingers with the ultimate shine. The Young Nails gel polish is next level. The fact that we have color coding on the bottle so that you can recognize it easy, the virtual one coat coverage, the fact that it self-levels into perfection, the cuticle round brush for ease of application. I mean, the features and benefits go on and on and on. You guys are gonna absolutely love this. Make sure, you guys, to check out the Black Friday bundle deal we have going on. All you have to do is click the link below.